Hey friends, my name is Rick. Welcome to my Cape Cod life. I want to plant potatoes. The problem is, where am I going to put them? Well, I have a bed that I didn't use last year. It got really overtaken by weeds. So I'm going to clean that out and I'll take you along on the way. So in this video, we're going to reclaim a bed and we're going to plant potatoes. All right, let's go. So I want to reclaim this bed. I didn't use it last year. And it is full of weeds. I'm seeing wild black raspberry there. Rose. The wild rose up in over there. Let's look at that. Oh yeah. This is going to be a pain, but we'll do what we can with it. There's another one over there that's got to get yanked out. Yeah, it's trying to spread everywhere, so let's reclaim it. Alright, let's dump this soil into this bed. Might have to get more. Alright, let's even this out a little bit more. It is so bad, but I think I might go and buy another couple of bags. Well, I need another one for some other beds, but my mom is up a bunch. So I'm gonna plant potatoes in here. Yeah, I have them all chitted, they're just scabbing over. That's a bed reclaimed. It's very windy today, so this is 2 days later. I had to go get a little bit more soil for this bed, so I did that. I'm going to dump this out, even it off, and we'll take you on the journey of planting potatoes. Let me spread this out. All right, so I'm just putting an organic fertilizer. It's 644. It's well balanced, and that's kind of what I want right now. I'm being very liberal with it. Quickly, just gonna kind of do that. First variety I'm going to plant is Yukon Gold. I've chitted these a couple of days ago, so they're scabbed over. Next up is the red Pontiac. So next up I have just pantry potatoes. These are russets that have sprouted. So I'm going to plant those right now. These are a little tightly spaced, but that's okay. So I'm going to bury those up right now. Chipping them down. The next thing I need to do is water them. Alright, so water them in. I'm going to put the sprinkler on. Now, once these sprout, I'm planning on putting some spent chicken shavings or chicken bedding that's in their coop. It's been sitting out for about 7 months, so that's what I'm going to put on top once they sprout. Let's go look where that is. Here are those spent chicken bedding. This is pine shavings and a lot of chicken poop. So that'll be a good bedding for my potatoes. Alright, so I got the sprinkler. It's going to get the whole garden. It's okay. Even though it rained, not last night, the night before. Let's be fine. Just have to do it for a little bit to get that bed nice and moist and all set for the kids. My friends, thanks for joining me today. I had a good time planting those potatoes. I'm excited for harvest time. They're like one of the funnest crops to harvest. It's like an Easter egg hunt in the dirt. At any rate, I hope you liked the video. If so, if you're new here, maybe you consider liking or sharing or subscribing or hyping, whatever that does. I think that's all the things. Oh, comments. I'd like to hear what kind of potatoes you're growing this year. And my friends who've been here before, I appreciate you so much. And as always, my Cape Cod life.